How to change password on Bitget account. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to change password on Bitget account. So in order to change your password, you just have to follow the steps. You have to go ahead and open up your Bitget application. When you open up or log in into your Bitget application, that's going to take you to the home page. And from the home page, you can go ahead and press the icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. On this page, you could go ahead and press the gear icon, or you could just go ahead and press on the username, and here you'll be able to see all of these information. So go to security, and on this page you can go ahead and press on login password. So in order to make changes with your password, go ahead and type in the old password, and to make changes, go ahead and press the new password, and for the confirmation, type in the new one and click the submit button. And if it seems to be valid enough, then you'll have successfully changed your password on Bitget account. So that is how you can change password on Bitget account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.